Hello children, now going to start chapter 8 maths, that is profit, loss and discount. First of all, understand profit. Children, you already studied in standard 7 profit and loss, discount, everything. So I am not going in deeply because already concept you know. Now first of let's revise something, some basic things. Profit. What is profit? When the selling price of an article is more than its CP, then it is said to be gain or profit. जब selling price cost price से ज़्यादा होता है तो हम profit कहते हैं, तो हमें profit हो रहा है. Suppose we are going to the market and buy one pen. Suppose this pen you are buying and asking the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper asked you for 10 rupees. Okay, 10 rupees is referred to as CP, that is the cost price of this pen. Okay, now this pen you want to sell to your friend. Okay, if you will sell 15 rupees, so what is the selling price? SP. SP is 15 rupees. So you want to sell this pen to your friend to 15 rupees. So your friend will give you money 15 rupees. So now question arises, you bought this pen at rupees 10 and want to sell it to your friend to 15 rupees. So what is the profit you gain? Profit is means selling price is 15 and cost price is 10. So what is greater, children? SP. When SP is greater than CP, that means you got profit. So SP minus CP equal to profit. The selling price is 15 minus 10 means 5 rupees you gain. You have gained 5 rupees, means you have profit of 5 rupees. Clear? So profit is that when the SP of an article is more than its CP, then it is said to be is gain or profit. So formula you already know, profit equal to SP minus CP. In the same manner, loss, when the SP of an article is less than its CP, then it is said to be loss. Loss equal to CP minus SP. जब कॉस्ट प्राइस बड़ा होगा सेलिंग प्राइस से तब तुम्हें लॉस होगा, और जब सेलिंग प्राइस बड़ा होता है कॉस्ट प्राइस से तो प्रॉफिट होता है. ओके, नाउ प्रॉफिट का परसेंट निकालना है. यू हैव टू फाइंड प्रॉफिट परसेंट, P परसेंट, प्रॉफिट बाई CP इंटू 100 you have to do. Okay, when you have to find loss percent, L percent, loss by CP into 100. Clear? Let's take one example. Many examples given in your book, children. One example you see, articles bought at 10 rupees, articles bought at 10 for rupees 8 are sold at 8 for rupees 10. Find the gain percent. Also find the number of articles bought and sold in group in order to gain rupees 144. Okay, so first of all you have to remember, children, whenever the cost price and the selling price are given for different number of identical articles, first of all find the CP and SP of equal number of articles. जब cost price और selling price तुम्हें पता होगा तभी तो तुम कंपेयर करोगे विच इज़ ग्रेटर. अगर SP बड़ा है दैट मीन्स यू गॉट प्रॉफिट, अगर CP बड़ा है दैट मीन्स यू आर गोइंग इन लॉस. Okay, so first of all we have to find SP, CP and then find out you have to gain or loss. So question arise, find the gain percent. So first of all you find cost price of 10 articles. 10 आर्टिकल तुमने लिए जिसके पैसे तुमने दिए रुपीज़ 8 रुपये में तुमने 10 आर्टिकल्स लिए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड 1 आर्टिकल्स. तो कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ 1 आर्टिकल इक्वल टू 8/10, दैट इज रुपीज़ 0.80 पैसे. ऑल्सो सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ 8 आर्टिकल्स इक्वल टू रुपीज़ 10. क्लियर? सो 1 आर्टिकल्स इक्वल टू 10/8, रुपीज़ 1.25. नाउ you can compare easily which is greater. Selling price is here, cost price is 0.80. Okay, and selling price is selling price of one article is 1.25. It is clear, children, that SP is greater than CP, means you have profit, you gain. So now find out profit of one article. Profit of one article equal to SP minus CP equal to 1.25 minus 0.80, means 0.45 पैसे you got profit. अब profit मिल गए हैं, अब इसका परसेंट निकालो. प्रॉफिट है 0.45, प्रॉफिट परसेंट 0.45 डिवाइडेड बाई 0.80 into 100, you got 56.25%. This is the profit percent, children. Clear? Now you have to find number of articles. Also you have to find out number of articles bought and sold. कितना तुमने खरीदा और बेचा. तो टोटल प्रॉफिट डिवाइडेड बाय प्रॉफिट ऑन वन आर्टिकल. टोटल प्रॉफिट कितने हो गए? 144. दैट इज गिवन इन योर क्वेश्चन. एंड प्रॉफिट ऑफ वन आर्टिकल कितने निकाले तुमने? 0.45. क्लियर? डिवाइड इट, यू विल गेट ₹320 इज योर आंसर. क्लियर? यू विल सॉल्व एंड गेट आंसर 320. So many examples related to profit and loss. You first try to solve. Now next is some questions arise overhead expenses. So first of all you have to understand what is overhead expenses. When you go to the market and want to purchase a refrigerator cost, shopkeeper asked 15,000. Okay, so 15,000, that is the cost price of refrigerator. You want to take home, so means extra transportation charge, additional money you can say. Suppose one rickshaw wala, you will hire one rickshaw wala to take the refrigerator home. He asked money 200 rupees to take you home, to reach at home. So that is the additional money for transportation or labor or packing etc to be spent. So additional money is 200. So what is the actual price of refrigerator, children? That is 15,000 of refrigerator actual price. That is called overhead expense. मतलब extra charge तुम्हारे लग गए कितने? 200 रुपए. तो 15,000 plus 200 करोगे, that is overhead expenses. तो total cost price कितने खर्च हो गए तुम्हारे? 15,200. तो that is the overhead expenses, total cost price. So one examples related to this I want to discuss here. The overhead expenses, I think you understood properly. Raju goes from Agra to Delhi to buy an article, okay, which cost 6,500 in Delhi. 6,500 रुपये उसकी कॉस्ट लगे दिल्ली में. He sells this article in Agra. अब वो आर्टिकल को आगरा में बेचना चाहता है. कितने में? 8,000 रुपीज़, 8,000. फाइंड हिज गेन और लॉस परसेंट. उसके गेन और लॉस कितने हो गए? एंड ऑल्सो कंसिडर दैट ही स्पेंड 700 ऑन हिज ट्रांसपोर्टेशन और फूड etc. उसके ओवरहेड एक्सपेंसेस, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन चार्ज और खाना पीना लेकर के 700 रुपये लग गए. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू राइट द actual price of article, that is 6,500. okay, now overhead expenses, that is transportation and food charge, is 700. So total cost price is 6,500 plus 700, that is equal to 7,200. okay, now selling price is he sold there that article rupees 8,000. okay, the profit is SP minus CP. So 8,000 minus 7,200 घटा दोगे, you will get 800 rupees, means 800 is profit. उसे profit कितने हो गए? 800. अब उसका profit परसेंट निकालना आसान है. Profit by CP into 100 कर दो, then divide it, you will get the value 11/9%. that is in mixed fraction. 11.5 अप्रॉक्सीमेटली मान के चलो कि उसको 11/9% प्रॉफिट परसेंट निकाला है हमने. क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? सो रिलेटेड टू प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, ओवरहेड एक्सपेंसेस, जस्ट ट्राई टू सॉल्व द exercise 8A. all these questions solve, children. Is there any doubt in any question? You ask in group. Clear?